a bloody day, no matter what market you look at. If you look at the stock market, red. If you look at the gold market, red. If you look at the Bitcoin market, red. And man, it's been red for weeks and months now, especially the stock market has been hurting for a while. And so, whew, scary times for if you have money in the stock market, which I don't. Scary times if, you know, you just bought a house just recently, right? At the top of the market, and overpaid. Ooh, scary with negative equity. Scary times when the foreclosure flood inventory opens up. So I just want to do a quick video about, how we have oceans of red day after day, week after week. And we're living in interesting times, guys. So I just want to do a quick video. With that, there's a lot of opportunity on the flip side of the coin because we live in a world of duality. And with every opportunity comes defeat, I guess. Peace, guys.